back to MK with Amy. I'm Amy, and this morning I have a quick video for you, just a demo of how to use and apply the Mary Kay Timewise Miracle Set. It is morning for me anyway. It may not be when you're watching this, but I just got up. I'm still in my pajamas and everything, but I haven't done a demo for this yet. So it is our set that is in this adorable pink color. It's got a couple pump bottles like this. So let's just get right into it. Okay, face is wet, and I'm gonna take the cleanser. This is our 4-in-1 cleanser. It's amazing. Squeeze out just like a pea size amount. That's a little bigger than a pea, but it will do for now. And I'm gonna massage it all over my face. I take about 30 seconds to really make sure I've massaged this cleanser deeply into my skin and everywhere. I kind of work it into my hairline, and you can go down your neck. I do keep one of these in my shower so that I can do a real good deep cleanse in the shower too, but we want this cleanser to kind of melt into our pores and really start to clear out all the gunk that's in there. And I want those exfoliating bits to have a chance to actually do their job and exfoliate a little bit. All right, so it's all massaged in. Now I'm gonna rinse. Okay, I'm done with washing my face, rinsed off with warm water, patted it dry, and now I'm ready for the rest of the products. Now, the next step I'm going to apply is our eye cream. This one is an a la carte add-on. It doesn't come with the Miracle Set as is. It is part of that family, but doesn't come with the package. But since I am of the age, and to be honest, all of my customers are too, where it's a good idea to be using an eye cream. So I like to start with the eye cream just to kind of build a little barrier around my eyes. That kind of just gives me a region to work around for the other products. Like sunscreen, I don't like getting that too close to my eyes. So I forgot to show you. I just squeezed out a small, like mini chocolate chip size amount. And then I like to pat my 2 ring fingers together and just dab, 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 pat, 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 being very gentle. I'm not like shoving it into my skin. I'm just gently patting around, mostly underneath the eye, not too close to the eyeball or the lash line there, just getting like right on top of that cheekbone. And then you can see where my puffiness and kind of dark circles are. And there, I do like to carry it out around where you can get your crow's feet lines, and then up on the brow bone just a little bit, but not on top of the eyelid. We do not need moisturizer on top of the eyeball. Our eyelids usually do a pretty good job of keeping that area kind of hydrated and oily. So the moisturizer in this eye cream will soak into where it needs to go just by applying it to this area. I put the excess from my fingers where you can get the 11 lines on the forehead. And the next step for morning time is going to be our antioxidant moisturizer. If it's nighttime, you would be doing the nighttime treatment serum first. So again, just squeezing out. It's really wet, so it's kind of hard to do this high up. Not that much, right? This is maybe a bean size amount, I don't know, large pea. And I just massage it onto my skin. So I'm carrying it about to where I applied my eye cream, since I don't really need to double moisturize. Put a blob on. I try to generally stick with upwards and outwards motions from middle of my face-ish out towards the edge of my skin. Try not to help gravity too much with the pulling down. So when doing circles, I'm like pushing, going up, and then really lightly coming down. I don't want to pull my skin back down. Make sure my nose is good and moisturized, and then the rest get on my forehead. This is not a precise process here. Just as long as all my skin is hydrated, I'm happy. I do like to make sure it gets into my hairline, not really in my hair. And then the rest, I just kind of wipe underneath. That wasn't really enough, but under my chin, and then carry down. I don't have enough to carry down today, but you do want to hydrate this area too. Makes a difference. Okay. Last step is our Daytime Defender. This is our SPF 30 broad spectrum. I'm just gonna do maybe like a pump and a half. That actually looks like too much, so maybe just 1 pump would be good. This is our sunscreen. It's a super light, lightweight, absorbs quick formula, not sticky. It's pretty great. We also have a mineral sunscreen that is, again, not part of this Miracle Set collection, but if you prefer mineral-based sunscreen instead of chemical product-based sunscreen, that's an option. Okay, my screen is kind of dim. I'm having a hard time seeing myself. Sorry, I'm not looking right at the lens because I'm trying to see what the heck I'm doing. I should have brightened my screen up before I started. Okay. I have a habit of only using one hand to do this. You can absolutely like put it on both hands and just go real quick, and that would make it even speedier. I just like to be more detailed and really feel what I'm doing and where it's going. And I also kind of feel like the more fingers and like the further you spread your product around, the more it absorbs into your hands rather than getting on your face. And I don't like to waste product, so I use 1 to 2 fingers to apply almost everything, so I'm not like wasting a ton on my hands. Anyway, that's it. That is the Miracle Set. It's the cleanser, the antioxidant moisturizer, the daytime defender sunscreen. If it were nighttime, it would be the night treatment. I don't think I have it out right now to show you. And then I always add in the eye cream too. But that is our newest version of the Timewise Miracle Set. Thanks for watching.